Hello there, family, friends, and viewers from across the world. Joe Jones back on the road. Well, first of all, let me say congratulations to everyone. I get excited actually. It's so amazing how people can follow you, and it's like they pay attention to what you're telling them, and it's a success. And it really means a lot to me because I always said it that it can be done. You know, if you live by faith, it can be done. Trust me, it can be done, and everything it happens. You know, and then again, I always do a lot of my prayers, and I always say that God is good, and I just want to say congratulations to all of you. And one more thing that I want to share with you is that that when you backing up on a container, just be careful, because I don't really want to I'm not saying anything wrong about anybody, but I just want to show you something like that over there. See this guy over there? He looks like he backed up, dropped the container. Yeah, that's what he did. He backed off of it, disconnected the lines and everything, and the trailer landed on the landing gear. The landing gears broke off, and that's a Sierra England driver. And just be careful with that, because the first thing that I do is when I get out my truck, and let's get to it. I'm gonna do it right now. This is the first thing I do. I personally do this. 3-point contact. Let me grab my glove. Yeah, let me just grab a glove here real quick. The first thing that I like to do is, see, I've dropped off a container. The first thing that I like to do is make sure that see the brake lines, the red one is popped out. That's for the trailer. So what you do is, this is what the first thing I do. Your glad hands. Take your glad hands out, and then pull the green cord. Green cord is the power cord that goes back here, and just try to hook these on. There you go, right there, set. And then landing gear. Landing gear, because what happened is that when you say, for an example, let me just get this landing gear down. Get these landing gear down. Some of them are clockwise, some of them are counterclockwise. And, get these down. So that's what you have to do. This is step 2. Landing gear. Okay. The first thing is 3-point contact when you get out. Use your hands. Your air hoses. Landing gear's tight. So put some muscle in it. Perfect. Okay. Okay. That's number 2. Landing gear. Number 3. Go around. Number 3. Pull your lever out. Unlock. And then it's dark in there, but it's off. The shank is not locked around the kingpin. Then what you do is start your truck. Get back on there. Neutral.
You have 2 unread
Adjust
messages.
it. Drive. You always have to press down the brake before you put it on drive. And then this one is your truck parking. You don't need this one because that's for your trailer. And then just pull forward. Pull forward. Now, to help your airbags, what you do is you and that'll bring down your airbags, and that's it. See? Now if you forget to bring down your landing gear, and if you have a lot of weight, it's gonna go boom, like just like what happened to that vehicle over there. And so yeah, that's a no-no. You don't really want that to happen to you. And let me get a little closer. Yeah, you don't want that to happen to you. Yeah, you see? You don't want that to happen to you. You know, it can happen to anybody. It happens to me too. It happened to me and it landed on my tires. And yeah, it landed on my tires. And again, this is CR England territory. There's a lot of CR England here. Yes, there is. So yeah, peoples, take it easy out there. Pay attention to what you're doing, and don't try to find yourself in trouble. Always get out and look. I gotta do that too, but see, I'm getting really good at it. But still, we still gotta get out and look. And that's all I have for today, man. And congratulations to you, and thanks for your thumbs up. Thanks for subscribing. I have a lot of subscribers, and that means that that information that I'm giving you is really good. And one more time, God bless all my family. God bless all my viewers, my subscribers. Good luck to you. Have a safe trip. Drive safe, be safe, fly safe. I'll see you in my next video.